This is what I'm talking about. This is the very thing that I'm talking about. I just got hit with a laser on my left foot again, all because of this moon, which up there really blowing devil clouds, trying to cover it up. Because they can't stand the fact that God chose a black woman. So they got to hit a retired senior citizen with a fucking weapon, stalking me every fucking where I go, over a damn moon. Why is he out here? Same reason why he was out in Plano and everywhere else I go. Stalking. And the police do nothing about it. Aiming weapons.